Hello everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome to another unboxing video. Let's get this package open and see what's inside. Oh my. Okay. So sadly there's no card sent with this, but whoever sent me this, thank you so much. So this is the blazer, and of course I would wear it with something else, but that doesn't really matter. But it looks really cute, and it looks very fashionable, and I really love it. So yeah, thank you to whoever sent me this, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, tap the like button. Click one of the two videos that just popped up on your screen and keep watching. I'll see you all soon. Take care and stay safe.